Good afternoon, welcome back to Guarantee RV Supercenter here in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to be showing you the 2018 Thor A.C.E. This is a 30.3 model. Let's go check it out inside, see how it looks. We're going to start back here in the bedroom. First thing I want to point out is the big window in the back. A lot of RVs are going away from having that window back there. You've got nice bed stands on both sides of the bed, walk around queen bed. You've got access to your radio here on your right. Speakers above your bed as well as reading lights. Good storage on top. Now this has your slide out as your bed. Then you've got the full wardrobe over here on the right. So here, and then great drawer space, nice and deep. You've got a television over here. More counter space here. A lot of my customers like to set up their computer there and do work from home. So it's a great place to do that because you've got your charging station right here. USB ports, there's 4 of them. And you have your regular outlets. Great area. Another drawer underneath. They're very deep. This is the restroom area. You've got the lavatory on your right, storage, sink, and your facilities there. And then on the left, you have your shower area. Here in the kitchen, I love this kitchen. You've got a great booth dinette. This one has really deep seating. I like to be able to sit down and actually have room between me and the table in front of me. This one I can fit behind really nicely. I really like it. You've got a 2 refrigerator, freezer on top, fridge on the bottom. Really nice size. Your microwave oven up here, 3 burner high efficiency gas stove here, and then your oven down below. Really good storage in this kitchen. So these are very nice and deep cabinets. I'm short. I can't reach all the stuff that I might be able to fit back there. I'll need a stool. TV is here on a televator. Comes up, goes down when you don't need it. But look at all the counter space you have in front of it. So you can prep your meals, wash your dishes, great big basin sink here. Tons of space. You've got a couch here. This turns into a jackknife sofa, nice and easy. I can actually do it with one hand, just lift it up and out. More storage on top here. Over here you've got your cab over bunk. So this will slide out for extra sleeping. It's wonderful. These captain's chairs turn around. You've got automatic levelers on this. Touch button radio and backup cameras. This unit also comes equipped with side view cameras and heated mirrors. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing to have on those cold nights and being able to see on either side when you want to change lanes. That's pretty much it for the interior. It's a wonderful color, wonderful layout. I really like this one. Let's go check out all the stuff this has on the outside. So the first thing that I'll draw your attention to are going to be your frameless windows. Wonderful thing to have are the frameless windows. This has a large awning which has lights in it, so you've got a nice little hangout area. This is your outdoor television and entertainment area, so you can hook your phone up through Bluetooth on this system here. You've got storage bays underneath. Alright, this unit also comes equipped with an outdoor kitchen. You've got a refrigerator, you've got a sink, you've got plenty of drawer space for all those little things that you want to do outside. Perfect unit for tailgating. Put your awning out, get the lights out, get your cold beer in the fridge, you're set, you're ready to go. Come around back. Here you've got your tow hitch. It's ready to tow your vehicle. Just let us know what you want to be towing and we'll get it ready for you. Nice big deep storage here. Here you've got your 50 amp or 120 volt service there. All of your plumbing here. Again, we've got more frameless windows going here. And this is with a Ford V10. Thank you guys very much for joining me today. It's been a pleasure. If you have any questions on this unit or any of the other units that we've got here at Guarantee RV Supercenter, please give me a call. My name's Brandy Morgan. I would love to talk to you. Thanks.